Hello and welcome to the GDM Garage. My name is Dan Lee and today we are continuing to work on this 1000 wheel horsepower Supra project. So guys, today we are going to continue to build on this 1000 horsepower Supra project. Or well, perhaps I should say to start on the project, since this is the first build episode. But anyway, I have been working on this car for, well, about 5 years now, but just not on YouTube. And for you that are new to the channel, if you want to recap what's done to this car, then you can check that out over here. And I have also built a 700 horsepower Supra, which I made an DIY video series of. And if you're interested to watch that, you can do that over here. But anyway, let's get the Supra down from the lift and get started. So yeah, today I'm going to start on the Supra project here on the channel. And like I said in the previous video, most of everything is already done on this car. And again, like I said in the previous video, I don't have any videos when I did all of this, but I do have a lot of pictures. So yeah, if you're interested to see that, you can check my Facebook or Instagram. But anyway, today I'm going to continue on the electronics of the car. So yeah, let me show you guys what I mean with that. So yeah, as you guys can see here, there's a lot of wires hanging here on the driver's side of the car, and that is because I am redoing a lot of the wire loom in the car, and I'm actually moving the fuse boxes from the engine bay to the trunk, just so well, I get a little bit more of a cleaner look in the engine bay and not that much visible wire looms. So well, I'm not the first one to do this on MK4 Supra, of course. But everybody has their own way of redoing this and moving the fuse boxes. But I want to place the fuse boxes in the trunk because they will not be that visible, but at the same time very accessible if I need them. So here we have the fuse boxes. The big one is on the driver's side and the small one is on the passenger side. And as you can see, I have cut and marked all of the wires on both of the boxes here. And all of the wires for the small box I have already rewired back into the car. So that's why the front fender is on and that side is completed. So what I'm left to do now is to do the same thing for the big box on the driver's side. So as you guys can see here on the passenger side, we have all the wires that come from the engine bay through the firewall. And of course, all of the wires aren't long enough to be able to reroute them back to the trunk. So all of the cables that are over here, I have already made longer, but there still are some wires on this side that I need to do that too. So, and well, that basically means a lot of soldering job. And then after that, of course, routing the cables, wires under the door seal and back so they're not visible. So hopefully you guys now understand what it is I'm doing, so I can continue. So basically I now need to sort up all of the wires here to see which one needs to be rerouted back. Not every single cable wire needs to be rerouted, since some of them are for lights and stuff like that, so I will leave those. And as you can see, I've already cut open the wire loom here. I did that this summer, so well, before YouTube. But anyway, the only thing I'm left to do now is to start the sorting, so well, let's get to it. There, Here we have all of the wires we need for the fuse box. There still is a lot of wires left to sort out, but I'm gonna take care of these later on. They're not needed for the moment. So let's continue with these wires through the back of the car for the fuse boxes. So there, now we have the wires in the car. And as you can see, there's no chance that this cable will be able to reach the trunk of the car, so I will need to make them longer, just as I've done on the other side. And well, there really is a little bit of a wiring mess in here. A lot of installation from previous owners and stuff like that, so well, I will have to sort that out later on. But anyway, so after I made these longer, I will just need to wire them under a door seal here and then back to the trunk. So as you guys might understand, there still is a lot of wiring job left to do, finishing this side, then of course the other side and such. And sorry that I didn't get to do much in this video, but I hope that I explained everything in a good way anyway, so you guys understand what it is I'm doing. But well, this is everything for this episode. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next video, stay tuned.